Hi guys! In today's video I'll be showing you how to apply false lashes. Now, as someone who has literally no lashes, I think false lashes are my life savior. They add so much length and volume. They really define the shape of my eye and I just feel so pretty when I have them on. I think it's a lot quicker to just stick on eyelashes than it is for me to sit here and put like 5 coats of mascara on to just about see my lashes. I also prefer false lashes to individual lash extensions because when I go to sleep I like to take my makeup off and feel fresh, and with individual lashes, even though they do look very natural and I do also feel really pretty with them, I do tend to get quite annoyed with them when I go to sleep and I'm like, there is just something on my eye. But yeah, with false lashes you can simply just take them off and you are back to your natural form. So the lashes that I'm going to be using today is by KERRY.B Beauty, and it's just these beautiful, very sort of wispy, natural looking mink eyelashes. I absolutely love these lashes. They come in an adorable little packaging that you can slide in and out like a drawer. They are also really high in quality, so the band is quite strong, which means if you were to wear these lashes every day and you took good care of them, they could last up to 3 to 4 weeks. In the long run, it could be a lot cheaper to have these lashes as opposed to having individual lash extensions, which I think is absolutely perfect when you want to achieve that full lash look, but you don't want to spend too much and you also want to feel fresh when you go to sleep. The first thing I like to do when I take it out from the packet is I like to curl the band. Bend it a little bit like that, if you can see, and then I like to just put it on my eyelid just to make sure it's a similar kind of curve to it. The next thing you'll need to do is to cut the eyelashes to the right size. It's a little bit too long for my eyes, so I'm just going to cut that off camera to the length of my eye with some scissors. So now I'm just going to take the back of the KERRY.B Beauty packaging and just do a little dot, literally the tiniest dot of eyelash glue. Then I'm going to use the back of my tweezers and just dip it in the glue like so. Use this glue to coat the band of the eyelash. So you got something that looks like this. You take a bit more glue, coat the ends a bit more. So by just waving it around, it's just going to make the glue set a little bit and get a little bit tacky. And then I'm going to carefully place them on in the rough area that the lashes is going to sit on. And then I'm just going to use the tweezers to just finalize the position and impress it as close to the lash line as possible. So you can see a big difference from when I have no lashes to when I do have lashes. Now I'm just going to seal my lashes and the falsies with some mascara. So just where my actual lashes are, I'm going to brush a little bit of mascara. Just so they bond together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave KERRY.B Beauty's links and details down below, and if you have any questions, do feel free to comment them in the comments section. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye!